Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All Educational Videos and Tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to save image in Autodesk SketchBook to preserve the layers and all the work which we have done so far. So this maybe doesn't sounds too fancy or interesting, but actually it's very important as a part of your work as artist and your workflow. Sometimes as a beginner you will probably make some mistakes and literally destroy your work if you forget to save your files, your work in the right way. And the right way for this example we had so far is that we want to try to save all of these layers here. So when I shut down my computer now, I'm finished with my work, I want to continue tomorrow. When I come to my work tomorrow, I want to have all of those layers, and I can also hide them, unhide them, work on specific one, copy, delete them, add details, but every layer specifically. So I don't want this to have it as one flattened image. And to save all of those layers you have to save it in specific format. One of those format is PSD, I think TIFF also, but we will focus on PSD. PSD means photoshopped format, something like that, so you have to remember that. And actually that format will open in Photoshop if you have that application or some friend of yours, client or whatever. And then if you send him this file like PSD file, he will have all of those layers saved, so he can work on them if you work together or whatever. Maybe sometimes clients want PSD files, so they buy them also in terms of you agree on that when you agree on terms of your contract and your goals, so they can later change something if needed and not depending on you if you refuse to work or you cannot agree for later work with them. So okay, so let's try to save this guy. So I need to go to File in my top left corner, File, Save or Save As. I would recommend Save As, although for the first time, because we have never saved this specific illustration so far. I can go with save, I think, but I will go with Save As. Click on my desktop and you see that by default I get TIFF files, save as files TIFF. I can choose bitmap, JPEG, GIF or GIF, PNG, but all of those will not save the layers. I will show that later. They will just flatten the image. So I want to pick the Adobe Photoshop PSD files, rename this to character, save it, and that's it. Now I can close this guy here. My desktop is really messy, don't worry. Sketchbook, let's open it again. I can even find this file, I think with file open recent. Yes, here it is, but I will try to find it with classic file open and then try to find how did we call it, character PSD. Here it is, open, and you can see all the layers are here. And that is what I need. So if I want now to change this color of my skin, for example, or continue working on it, I just click on that layer, this layer for the base of my face and so on. But if I save this as JPEG, for example, I will call it character flat. This time character flat as JPEG. I get, first of all, I get quality to pick. Do I need it as the highest possible is best, least, low, medium. Let's try with best. but I also get the warning, Autodesk Sketchbook warning. For this image format, all layers will be merged, so you can still cancel this. If you need layers, these guys were smart enough to warn you. Okay, only TIFF, PSD and PXD formats support layers. So this, if you do this, this will flatten all your layers. They will be merged. Okay, I don't know what it is. And now when I try to open this guy, again in Sketchbook, this time file open, and I will try to find character flat. Check out the layers now. There is only one layer. So if I want to change anything, like for example my client says now, okay, I want to color this hair here in black. Okay, oh no, now you're over his eyes. I don't want to do that. Can you delete it? No problem. I can maybe just undo, or maybe just use my eraser, but the eraser erase everything, my eyes and my hair at the same time. Why? Because I'm at one layer only. I'm not on my hair layer, I don't have that layer. I am not on my eyes layer, I don't have that layer. So you see now the importance of the layers. I think I have shown this before, maybe, if not, sorry, but this is the whole idea, how this destructible, yeah, I think a bit different example, but the same idea. So you see how this is destructible, and that is why we use layers, simple as that. So this was about saving files. Let's open a recent character PSD, and in next videos again we will continue with new features and learn new skills. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.